Hello and welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back in again with another tutorial in KodeKloud. Today we are in Azure. The scenario for the day is the Nautilus DevOps team is currently working on setting up a simple application on the Azure cloud. They aim to establish an Azure load balancer in front of a virtual machine where an Nginx server is currently running. While the Nginx server currently serves a simple page, the team plans to deploy an actual application later. Set up a Azure load balancer name. Configure the load balancer front end configuration with the name and assign a public IP address with the same name. Create a backend pool named and add the VM running Nginx to this pool. Create a help probe named on port 80 to check the VM's health. Set up a load balancer rule named to route traffic on port 80 to the backend pool of port 80. Add an inbound rule to the existing NSG of the VM to allow HTTP traffic on port 80. All right, let's get started. Azure portal, let's look for load balancers and add create. Click create. Copy this load balancer name. Select this resource group. Paste it here. Go to region and you will go up to East US. This is a public load balancer, so the type should be public. Go to the next page, add a front IP configuration. You will copy this right here, this name, paste it here, and for public IP, select create new and paste the same name there and click save, and then hit save again. All right, backend pools is next. Click plus on add a backend pool. We're going to copy this right here for backend pool name, paste it here. Select the virtual network that's available, and we're going to click add. Populate the VMs that are available on our system. We'll add the one that's available, and we'll click save. For next to inbound rules, go to add a load balancing rule. We're going to copy this right here. This is the name for the load balancing rule. Paste that there. For an IP to be created. Backend pool. Make sure that the protocol is TCP. I'm gonna click port 80 and port 80. For now, this help probe, we're gonna copy this right here, and then click create new, and paste that name there, and just hit save, and then hit save. Okay. We're not gonna add any outbound rules, and no tags. So we're gonna review and create. Now let's pass the validation. We can create the load balancer, and we'll just wait for the resources to deploy. All right, our deployment is complete. Let's go to the resource. Just look it over one time. So everything looks good here. Let's go to Azure portal in the front, go to resource group. Click on the resource and the resource group. We're going to go to the Nautilus VM NSG. I'm going to click on that. Go to inbound security rules, and we're going to add a rule that says any source port HTTP is allowed. So any and all HTTP traffic is allowed to our load balancer. All right, and that should do it. So let's go ahead and validate the task. Let's give it another second. And there it is. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I'll be back with more videos coming soon. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.